Hello, this CEO, CTO of Xeon Streams LLC. I just wanted to take the time out to say that Xeon Streams is not going out of business, and hopefully by end of April, I'm going to be doing the server build, and um, and our server will be back online by May 1st. Um, I just want to say that we're not going. Xeon Streams LLC was not going out of business. Though we were satellite streaming servers, and before the pandemic hit, we had a shutdown. I had to shut down the server, and then I got the new server the second time when I got unemployment, and I said, "Oh yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it." And I was I was up for about a couple months, but then unemployment had a fraudulent activity going around, so they suspended a lot of California unemployment to be verified. But I wasn't. I was suspended by last December, and I was never verified for so many months. So I had to shut down the server because I couldn't had no money, and I was I was irritated and all that. But you know what? But the good thing is now I got rehired to a new job, 40 hours a week, and so by end of May, I'm gonna do a server build through my data center in Orlando, Florida, hosttime.com to get my server rebuilt. So I'm going to be doing the server build by end of April, and once I get the server built, um, I'm gonna put it online by May 1st. Um, I still got to load in the program, like the Centralcast programs for the DJ streaming and and radio hosting software, and the billing site and support site with the WHMCS. But once I get all that up and going, and by May 1st, yeah, we're not going out of business. We I was never going to go out of business. So all the rumors going out there, Xeon Dream's gone, no more. No, we're when this COVID has been messing a lot of crap up, a lot of shit up. So no, we're not going out of business. I'm not going out of business. Um, I love Xeon Streams. I love providing radio hosting, DJ streaming for DJs and people that want internet radio station. I like to, I love being a provider, and I'm always going to be a shotgun provider for all your DJs and people wanting your own internet radio station and all that good stuff. So the rumor saying, "Are we going out of business?" You're gone. No, we're not going out of business. We just, this COVID is messed up a lot of shit, you know. But we're not going out of business. I will get my server back online. I am going to do a server build by end of April. To a couple of weeks in April, a couple of weeks into towards the end of April, whatever. And once I get that server built, I'm gonna put it online by. I'm shooting for May 1st. Um, but if for some reason it might be another week into a couple weeks into May, I'll let you know. I will do another video update like this on the website. Anyway, so I just wanted to take time to say that Xeon Streams is coming back. Third time's the charm. Shake my head. But anyway, just wanted to been working. I finally got hired at a job, 40 hours. So I'm at that's we're in the right way. I'm in the right step in the right direction. So with that being said, I just all I want to say is that Xeon Streams is not going away. I was never planning on shutting down forever. I love being a shoutcast provider for all you DJs and people wanting internet radio stations. Um, so with that being said, yeah, we all hopefully I will see you all of you May 1st as your shoutcast streaming provider here at Xeon Streams. I'm Jeffrey Scott Johnson, CEO, CTO of Xeon Streams. Until then, stay safe, mask up, stay 6 feet distance, and wash your hands. Just be safe. You know, this COVID is not going away anytime soon. So just be safe and stay safe and take care. Till then, peace out. Peace.